Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Zane. I know I haven't posted a lot on YouTube, but it feels like it's been a while. Because it has. It's been about 2 weeks since I have posted. I've been having some technical difficulties, and then I just got sick a couple, I want to say 3-4 days ago. I just got hit with a really bad, I believe it's the cold. I don't know, because about 3 weeks ago, oh my god, I'm sorry, my face is itchy. About 3 weeks ago, I just got over the flu. Anyways, I'm happy to be filming. It helps lift my spirits up a little bit when I am, especially when I get ready, when I don't look like this without any makeup on. And my hair, this is my natural hair, so I didn't do anything crazy to it. I just don't have the energy to do it. But welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to be doing a really fun video. Excuse my voice, I know I sound weird and it like hurts to talk, but I really wanted to film. I truly missed it, and I don't want to give up. I want to stay as consistent as possible. I know that I did mention before, I do work full-time, so it's a bit difficult. I work a little bit more than a full-time job, so it's kind of crazy. Bear with me. So hoping to quit that very soon though. So today I'm going to be doing a really fun video. It was so hard not to open this package. I did do a subscription. Well, you can do like a box every season, or you can get one. You can get one annually and yearly. I don't know, seasonal, yearly, whatever you want. But I am doing a FabFitFun reveal today. So I have it, and I'm not sponsored by them, by the way. It would be cool if I was in the future, but no. I bought this with my own money. I did use a code from, used another YouTuber's code. I really love this YouTuber, so shout out to her. I really look up to her, you know, everything she's done on YouTube. Her name is Tony of Dallas. But yeah, so when I seen the video that she did on her FabFitFun box, the box is the same, so everyone who gets like the spring box would most likely get the same products, but you can customize it. Like, I was able to say what I like more and like what I want to actually receive, and then they go, you know, on from there. So with the code, I got $10 off. I believe it's like $49 per season, $49 per box, and there's supposed to be over $200 worth of product. So you only, you only pay the $39 or $49, whatever it is, and you get over 200, or you get at least 200. Sometimes you may get over depending on what products you get. But I had to restrain myself. I don't know when I received it. I literally received it like a week ago, and I had to hold myself. My boyfriend was like, no, you have to get a natural reaction on camera. So this is gonna be my natural reaction. I mean, it's not even like crazy, but I'm excited, you know? Oh, I swear I didn't even open it, so it'll do the job. Ah! I opened it upside down. Okay. Here it is, guys. So this is what the box looks like. This is the spring box. Let's open it up. The first thing I see is this really pretty magazine. This gorgeous woman on it. Their probably their little catalog. Ooh, look at that. New Year, fresh you, $50 gift card, $25 off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping. Okay, so I've been really interested in meal prepping to, well, like myself, I was gonna start meal prepping to back to the gym. I used to meal prep back when I used to work out, and then I stopped. I haven't worked out in about 2 years now, not like a year, I don't know, year and a half. So I just started, well, I went a couple times, but I want to keep going, get started. And I understand why people do the meal prep services. I truly do. It's a good little discount. Ooh, so the first thing I see that I get my eyes on is this Show Me Your Moo. It's a robe. Now I'm so glad I got this because I really freaking wanted it. When I saw it, it's so springy. It's like a kimono almost. Actually goes with my outfit, low-key. Cool. It came with it's a little necklace, little chain. Oh, so I got a Dr. Brandt No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel. So this, I know Dr. Brandt, like this brand, it's an expensive brand. I got a body lotion, mandarin orange, and bergamot. I got an aromatic, I can't say the word, body lotion. I like smell, well, I can't really smell right now. I'm so congested. I think it smells nice. Next thing I see here is, ooh, oh my god, this, I don't know how to say this name, this brand, Way, I don't even know. It's a leave-in conditioner, and this is the brand here. I'll find it and link it as well, but I've heard good things about this product. I think it's pretty pricey as well. The next thing I got was, I needed something like this. You know, when it starts getting close to the summertime, you want to, when it starts getting warmer, you want to give your skin a lot more love, especially because it's out in the sun, you know. The sun is damaging, and you need something to replenish it. And this is for nighttime. It's a Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. So, and it's, I believe, like a rose, what's that flavor? So, an obsession is smelling everything. It smells pretty good, I think. It's a water product too. I'll be using this tonight. The next thing I see here, some jump rope, and I am so down. John will be happy to see that I'm getting good things. Next thing I see here, yes, this is a champagne charcoal scrub by Mana Kadar, that's the brand, and it's an exfoliant. Oh my god, that was so hard to say. Really pretty. It says relax on the side, I believe. Sealed, nice. It's amazing what like a little makeup can do. Like I don't feel like I'm sick anymore, you know. I'll open this later. That's all the products there. Oh, so in the catalog here, it actually shows you so the total value of the box. And now that I've seen this after I filmed it, I will put the prices as I talk about them. Well, that's all that I received in my box. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I wasn't sponsored by FabFitFun. Maybe one day they will consider it. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting and for understanding why I haven't posted in a while. I am still getting over, excuse me, I am still getting over whatever it is that I have, either a severe cold, but I'm hoping to keep filming and keep, you know, being positive, and I don't want to give up. I have a lot of things that I want to do, and thank you guys again. I love everyone who is watching this, who supports me, who subscribes to me. I didn't meet my goal for my subscribers last month, but that's okay. We're gonna keep trying. I do have a lot of things that I would like to do, a lot of things I'd like to share with you guys. I have more hauls coming up. I was just waiting to feel a little bit better. I am trying to reach 100 subscribers. Let's see if we can hit that this month. It's a new month, it's April. I get so happy when the warmer months start rolling around and the sun comes out and the heat gets me all warm. I just love summertime, and I have a lot of ideas and, you know, different things I want to do. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, that bell button, comment. I'm still like getting together my intro and outro, like, you know, my little check me out, like I have a catchphrase on YouTube type thing. I'm not there yet. I thought I had something, but I'm very picky. But anyways, before I keep talking, bye guys, see you guys next time.